Hello, everybody. So in the previous video, we have kind of introduced the concept of statistical distribution, so namely the normal distribution right here. And we've also introduced kind of a brief description as to what the central limit theorem is. It's a very, very important theorem in statistics, and it's kind of very good to know. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate the central limit theorem in action with our Titanic dataset. So first, we read in the Titanic train.csv, just like we do. We're reading in the original dataset for demonstration purposes. So essentially, we read in this data frame, and let's look at the age column, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot a histogram of the age column, and bins equals 10 means use 10 bins. So, if your age is like from 0 to 100, you'll have 0 to 10 as a bin, 10 to 20 as a bin, 20 to 30 as a bin, and so on. So you can think of bins as like groups or range groups. So we'll take the age column and plot a histogram of it using matplotlib. So this is what the distribution is looking like. And you'll see here that the age doesn't seem to follow a perfect normal distribution, right? Because your shape of this curve is not really looking like the bell curve as we know it. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's say we randomly sample 10 people and take their averaged age and repeat the sampling for 2,000 times. Let's see what the distribution of this average age look like. This histogram is the distribution of the age itself, right? But let's take a distribution of the average age in a sample of 10 people. So that's what this loop is doing. So for each time, we're going to collect the age column, use the sample function, and take 10 of the entries in the age column. We're going to take the sum and divide by 10. So this here is taking the average age. And we're going to make a list of these average ages, right? So each time we take an average, we're going to add it to our list. And then we're going to make a histogram of this average ages using 30 bins. So when we run the cell, what do we get here, right? Well, take a look at this shape of this curve, right? The shape of this curve mimics more of the shape of the normal distribution. So we can see here that the distribution of the mean of the ages is approaching a normal distribution. And hence, this is the central limit theorem in action. So isn't that kind of cool, guys? So in the next video, we're going to be talking and we're going to be diving in deep more on data visualization. So till then, see you in the next video.